How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super slick 70 Duster 340. Now this is a numbers match car. We have the original numbers match 340 for it. Does have a nice built 408 in it right now, but the original numbers match motor does come with the car. It's a factory rally red. Black interior and a black side stripe. And this car has won numerous shows. Just a super nice car. You see all the chrome and the bumpers is real nice. The grille, super slick down the sides. Beautiful car, guys. And to be original 340 numbers match car, even though it does have the 408 in it, but you can put the 340 right back in it if you wish. It's got the 8 3/4 in it, the posi. And I tell you, the paintwork on this car is just beautiful. Super nice. Flat, smooth. It's got your factory disc brakes up front. Krieger wheels. See, the engine bay is all painted really nice. Got all the chrome bolts. I mean, this thing is show ready. Now this is a 360 that's been stroked to a 408. It's got your Edelbrock aluminum heads, intake, carb. It's got the factory heavy duty radiator in it. It's got TTI headers and exhaust. It's a super nice car, guys. See how nice and clean the doors, interior in the car, the dash, very nice. All the chrome on the dash looks like new. It's got your bucket seats and center console. I do have the original steering wheel that goes with the car as well. And I tell you, this car is a blast to drive. Trunk's been all custom finished off, all carpeted. Does have the stereo with an amp. Nice box to cover the amp. Did a really nice job finishing the trunk off in the car. And we have a pile of trophies that came with this car that the customer had won. When we purchased the car, he gave us all the trophies. It's kind of neat the way they did the 408 on the back. It's all a decal, so if you wanted to put the original motor back in it, you just put the 340 decal back on it. Now he did do an AM/FM CD stereo, and as you've seen, the amp in the trunk, nicely mounted there in the dash. Got the factory gauges in the dash, but he also has oil pressure and a temperature gauge on the under the dash there, a little more accurate. Just a super slick car. And again, it does have the 408 in it right now, but we do have the numbers match motor, carbureted oil pan. I really like the hood scoop on it. Super cool car, guys, and I tell you, this thing thumps. Got good sound out the exhaust out the back, and it's got plenty of power to have a lot of fun with it. All the backup lights, everything works. Super nice car, guys. And I've personally driven this car about 50, 60 miles, and it's just a blast. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.